Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the keyboard, and you can do it in any app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like I have, and then let's enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, three dots icon, tap on the settings which will be here and drag them to this panel to have much faster access. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages, so I'm pretty sure that he will find the language you'd like to use. Just find it and tap on it. So let me find the Urdu one, which is right here. Tap on it, and depending on the language you will be able to pick the region. Of course, sometimes you will be able and sometimes not, as I said, depending on the language. So let me pick India, and here we've been transferred to the kind of keyboard modes or keyboard types. And again, it depends on the language. Sometimes you will be able to pick only one or even up to 5 different types. So let me pick this one, so I have to mark it and untick this option, so only this one will be applied. Let's tap on done. We've got the Urdu on this list, so now let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got actually 2 differences. So the first one, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language, so it will act just like a language key. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So that's quite fast, I mean, to switch between the languages. And this is how to basically add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it to only one language. So in order to do that, we have to enter the settings and tap on the languages again. And here tap on this edit icon. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning. And after getting to the keyboard, getting back to the keyboard, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, so we cannot change the language, which leads to conclusion that we've got only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.